everybody. Welcome back to the Crystalina Perspective. Thank you guys so much for tuning back into my channel. I'm so excited today, guys, because we have a package from Erin Condren. Yes, we do. Inside of this package is some amazing things that I'm really excited to share with you guys. And before I get started, I do want to say thank you to Samantha Torrey and the Erin Condren staff for selecting me to receive this box of goodies and to share it with you guys. I will have a link down below for you guys to check out this amazing collection that they have launched, and let's just hop into it. So guys, this collection is a part of the Social Justice collection that Erin Condren started back in fall of last year. Basically, the Social Justice collection features various Black artists, and it always gives back. So this is the new Black History Month collection. It consists of 4 new artists, and I will like display their Instagrams so you guys can go check them out. And the cause that they're giving back to with this collection is the Black Girls Code. It is a nonprofit organization on a mission to give underprivileged girls a chance to become tomorrow's masters of tech. So that's absolutely phenomenal. 35% of the net proceeds from the designs in this box will be donated to the Black Girls Code through February 2021. So guys, I have rambled enough. Let's open it up and see what we got. Okay guys, so I just lifted everything up out of the box. It was a whole situation trying to show it to you guys in the box on my desk, so I just opened it up. So as always, you get the tissue paper with the Enjoy from Erin Condren, and when you open it up, y'all, look at these amazing things. So we are going to go through it. As I stated, there will be a link in the description box for you guys to check out, so you can check these products out. So guys, these cards are so beautiful. Let me make sure they're not a greeting card. We are going to open them, and let's see. It says lift your voice. And this is so beautiful to me. I love the abstract woman, and the artist for this is Miss Jessica Shannon. You can find her at Jess_can_illustrate. Jessica is a digital illustrator with a passion for spreading joy and light. Her art is inspired by the resiliency, vulnerability, and splendor of Black women. So guys, look at this card. I want to say this card is about maybe 5 by 7, and it's really sturdy paper. You get the Erin Condren card to like hold it. So that is like very, very pretty. Next card has quite a few sayings on it. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out the package, just so that way you guys can see it without the glare of the plastic. Okay, so this is so pretty. It has various different sayings on it. Just wow, leader, amazing, absolute magic, strong, stunning, genius, creative. It's so fun. This card is so fun. And this card was created by Miss Charity Ekpo. Maybe saying her name wrong. She's found at @CEkpo_art. Charity is a designer, illustrator, and lettering artist who designed amazing to fill the world with more positive messaging around how amazing Black people are. So once again, it's about a 5 by 7 card like the previous card. And these are so beautiful. I'm quite sure you can get like a coil clip and clip it into your EC notebooks as well as your EC planners, or you can display these like on your desk. And then we have another card. This is so pretty, y'all. I really like these cards, and I love the abstract art. That makes me really happy. This is called Birds of Paradise. They look like they're in paradise, y'all. They really do. This illustration was created by D.M. Smith. She can be found at Gold Sorbet. D.M. is a graphic designer at Erin Condren, who turned her lifelong passion for creativity and the arts into a career. Her delightful design is inspired by the beauty and biodiversity of Africa. That's really, really nice. So we received 3 cards. Like I said, I'm quite sure you can do all types of things with them, but the most fun part is you can display them on the new desk calendar with acrylic from Erin Condren. And this is so cute, guys. So this is the acrylic holder. You clip it. Y'all know what? Clip it just like this. It goes across. So this is what it looks like. I'll insert how it looks, but you can definitely lay your cards on there like so, and it is so pretty. The last few things that we received in this box were some amazing covers. Once again, they are really beautiful. As you guys know, the Erin Condren covers for planners and notebooks are interchangeable, so you can switch these out. But this is the Birds of Paradise, which is so pretty. Of course, you know, on the inside, you have this free space here to customize it, personalize it, or whatever. But look at these birds. These birds are absolutely phenomenal. They're so pretty. Then we got the Lift Your Voice. As you guys know, this is my favorite one. I absolutely love this abstract lady. She is so pretty to me. And look at her. Oh, she's so pretty. And that is the inside. And then we received 2 coiled books here. I'm going to see exactly what type of book they are in 1 second. So we have the amazing art again. This is on silver coil, and when you open it, it is a notebook. So pretty. It is neutral, as you guys can see. And then for those of you that do not know, the Erin Condren notebooks come with a sheet of stickers in the back. So that is also amazing. I'm absolutely feeling this cover as well. I want to say this would be like my second favorite. They're all beautiful, but it's just speaking to me. And then this is an image we have not seen. So it is on gold coil. I'm not sure if my camera, there it goes, it's picking it up. This is called Abundance of Joy by Miss Allison Ford at Hello Allison Art. Allison is an abstract and college artist, family woman, and lawyer who enjoys working with acrylics, graphite, paper, and more to create highly textured pieces. And this is a notebook. This is so beautiful, y'all. I don't have a favorite. I love them all. I do. This is so nice, Erin Condren, to feature these amazing artists. So once again, I just want to show you guys those stickers that you have in the back and this beautiful cover. So guys, to recap everything, we received 2 notebooks that are absolutely stunning with the artist's designs on the covers. We also received the interchangeable covers of the other two artists, which is simply phenomenal. We received these beautiful 5x7 cards that you literally can stick anywhere. I have one sitting up over here on my acrylic stand. And we also received the acrylic stand right here. That is just simply beautiful. Like, look at that detail right there, guys. So this is a part of the Black History collection from Erin Condren. The Black History Month collection. You guys go check it out. Go support these Black artists. They do a phenomenal job. I absolutely love all of them. They're really pretty designs and they're very inspirational. I encourage you guys to check it out. The link will be down in the description box. I do want to say thank you to Tori, Samantha, and the Erin Condren staff for selecting me to receive these items and to show them and review them with you guys. I think the collection is really nice. Go follow those featured artists. And last but certainly not least, I hope that each of you have an amazing Happy Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Do some community service. Go support an organization. Go participate at a nonprofit, but do something to give back and give back your time and show support for your community. So guys, that is it. Tell me what you think about the collection down in the comments. I want to hear what you have to say. And once again, thank you guys so much. I'm going to flash these beautiful ladies right here and their artwork, and you guys just go check them out. So happy Black History Month is coming soon, and until our next video, bye.